Hello my friends, True Nature Childcare here. Never be afraid of the rain. Go out in it. Look, there's a puddle in this wheelbarrow. I'm going to show you 3 games you can play that are really better to play in the rain. So get out there, families, don't be scared, have some fun, put on your rain gear, it's not going to hurt you. Alright, first game is Will It Float? Here's the puddle and I have several different kinds of sticks I'm gonna try. Here's one. It floated! It's a raft! Let's try that one. Ooh, that one's kind of hollow. Ooh! It also floated. Ooh! And the wood chips. Wow, they all floated. That was cool. And then if you get enough in there, say you have a little plastic tub or something that's shallow, you can play in that water a little bit. I wouldn't put your hands in it because your hands will get really cold, but you could play in it with sticks, moving the sticks, and play a little game of log jams or something like that. Alright, moving on. I'm going to go over to this pear tree. Make sure you have an adult, kiddos, if you're going to play this game, to show you what plant to do it with. This tree is pretty safe. It's a fruitwood tree, and I know that touching it is never going to hurt me unless I poke my eye. So that's the only thing I have to watch for. But what I like is these droplets right here. And the game is to try to capture a droplet on your tongue. Haha. Pretend this is my tongue. It's delicious. Like I said, make sure you pick the right plant, but that can be really fun to lick the droplets off the plants. And then the third game is, oh, they already disappeared. Searching for worms. On rainy days they tend to come out more. And I dug this up with a shovel a minute ago with those worms. Those sneaky worms already went down in the dirt. So I'm gonna look for them again. Oh, there's one! Look at that! That's so cool! And yeah, they're safe to pick up. It's okay. And then you can watch them for a little bit. Watch them wriggle and wiggle and imagine what it might be like to be a worm. They don't even have eyes, but they can feel really well. Wow, look how it just moved. That was cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and as always, let me know how it goes. Good night, little worm friend. I'm gonna bury you up again. Yep, when you're picking up worms, always be nice to them. Try to think about what will make their bodies feel good, because if somebody giant picked you up, you would want them to be gentle with you. Alright friends, till next time. See you later.